I don't want to talk about what's behind me, but we're going to in a second because it's all going to tie together. Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. Last time we were with one another, we started what is going to be or is our biggest project yet, which is our old workshop turned into our greenhouse. And we kind of focused on this one corner that had a concrete pad because we figured we can turn that into a green room essentially, as the other larger phases need to take place, like a new roof, new walls, windows, and doors, all the things, including a floor. Another reason why I want to do this green room like now as we let the cats out is because of the rodent problem, and they just eat everything. Exhibit 1. This was a really beautiful dahlia, and they haven't been messing with anything back here, so I don't know why in my brain I was like, they're not messing with this, but they are. So I'm gonna pull and plant this morning, spend some time in the garden because I noticed a couple things aren't taking, and Thormund, right on cue, my guy. You wanna say hi to everybody? Okay, let's plant. What are you doing? That is so cool. So it took a little bit of work, but we got some of the good seeds. All from our friend who's growing a little garden in the desert. Oh, I just want to do this for forever. Okay. Oh my god, you scared the shit out of me. I am just having fun. I wanted to take a quick second to thank today's sponsor, Beam, which I have been using Beam's Dream in my nightly routine lately, which is crafted to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. You simply add a scoop to some hot water or hot milk, your choice, 30 to 45 minutes before you head to bed, and it's gonna help support all 4 stages of your sleep cycle. There's 0 added sugar, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan, and non-GMO, and you can choose from a wide array of flavors. Personally, for me, it felt like I was waking up exhausted no matter how much sleep I was getting. And with implementing Dream, I just feel like I'm falling asleep quicker. I'm sleeping through the night. I'm not waking up as much, and I'm waking up way more rested. Not only do I love Beam's Dream, but a ton of other people do as well. And I'm also taking their Glow Consistently, which is a super blend formulated to support hormonal balance, boost collagen production, promote healthy hair, skin, and nails, and enhance your natural glow. Been digging that. If you guys are interested in adding Beam into your routine, I highly suggest that you check out the Memorial Day sale, which is linked in my description box down below, and you can use my code METZ to get up to 40% off today. Are you not sorry for the Thin Lizzy in the background? Hi guys, last time we left off, we started demoing into what's going to be our greenhouse. Now I need to extend this corner with concrete in order to expand this shed. So that's what we're doing. Okay, now that the framing is up, we're gonna start rough framing in for the pieces of glasses that we do have. And pieces of glass that we do have. Something that Aaron and I are determined to do with our, any project that we have is to reduce, recycle, reuse. So we are reusing every single thing that we have on hand, including some panes left over from that big window when I first started my first greenhouse build. Well, a bunch of them shattered, and so we have about 6 left, and we're gonna pop them into place on either side of the door because the door's glass, if the whole wall's glass, the stained glass door will be illuminated as much as possible, and that's what we want. So I'm gonna finish up cutting the framing, and then we're just gonna puzzle piece it together because, again, these aren't traditional windows. We're just kind of making our own, which is totally fine for a greenhouse. Obviously not recommended if you're doing it for your house. Like I said, we're gonna kind of work backwards from the ground up. So there was a stud like this over here. I actually just cut it out and scooted it over so this corner can become flush. Just so you know where that disappeared to. 3/18s, go on the bottom. We're gonna use these as spacers because I really don't need like 2 king studs on one side. I want to reuse this to over here. So I think if I just space them out like 1, 2, put this here, right? And this here. This is across. Still no. Okay, hold. What am I doing wrong? Hold. 18 is correct. I did that math right. This is going to be 22 and an 8. I should have cut them down to 22 and an 8. Dang it. Okay. An inch and an inch off. Each side is fine. I need to cut inch spacers. Okay. I had to cut these 2x4s down to be 1 inch in order to make the opening for the frames we're going to do for all the windows, but let's just install. I want to get the rest of it up and see what Erin thinks of the spacing, and then we can make this. Okay, so I framed out both sides for the windows, and Erin just got home, and he always comes home with plants from Facebook Marketplace. So let's take a second to plant whatever he brought back. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I told you. It's like, what the?
Literally,
it's gonna be like a lot of work, honestly, to even just tear these babies apart. There's like...
The name of the game for like this phase was truly just getting this wall framed out to get a better idea of what we're going to be doing on the inside. So we decided to rough fit the door that I was refinishing because, fun fact, I've never done a door jamb properly and I want to take my time. So I'm going to show you how to properly install the doors and the windows next episode. Even though we're not extending the footprint by much right here, it still is making a massive difference. And just with how we want to move forward with the room, we are able to do a lot more just by adding that little chunk. This is one of the coolest parts. You can see the horses. It's gonna be a double window roll, and I am just like really wild that this can be absolutely nothing, and like Erin said, a black hole, and now it's gonna be just like this corner of light. This building looks so wild. But it's about the framing, not the building right now.